Hello everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to fix the Windows key not working. First, we will check a basic keyboard setting. Click on the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app. From the left side, click on Accessibility. Scroll down until you see Keyboard and open it. Look for the option called Filter Keys. Make sure this option is turned off. If it is on, turn it off and then close the Settings window. Next, we will restart Windows Explorer. Go back to the Start menu and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager from the search results. At the top search bar inside Task Manager, type Windows Explorer. When you see Windows Explorer in the list, right-click on it and choose Restart. Give it a few seconds to reload, then test your Windows key again. If the key is still not working, we will check the keyboard driver. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager from the results. Find the section called Keyboards and click the arrow to expand it. Right-click on your keyboard device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for the latest version. Once it is done, close everything and test your Windows key. If none of these steps helped, there is one last simple thing to try. On many keyboards, the Windows key can be locked with a function shortcut. Hold the FN key and the Windows key at the same time, then release them. After doing this, check if the Windows key is working again. Thanks for watching.